In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how to prepare artwork for die cutting in Illustrator. So this is an irregular shape, this star. We need to add a bleed to it so that when it's die cut, it has a bleed so we don't get any white on the edge of it. So the first step is to expand the size of the star by 1/8 of an inch. So I'm going to go Object, Path, Offset Path, and enter 9 points or 1/8 of an inch. So that's 0.125 inches. I'm going to click OK. And now we have two stars. See, you have this one and this one. So what we want to do is take the inner star and give it a special color so that that's going to be the path that the printer is going to use to create the die that's going to cut our star. So I'm going to deselect the artwork and I'm going to choose some random color in my panel. I usually choose a bright one. We're going to name it Die Line. And then we're going to switch it from process color to spot color. So in the color type, we choose spot color, and that's it. We click OK. We choose the inner star, and we give it the red die line color. So this is the line that the printer is going to use to create the die. So we could just leave it like this. The last steps we can do is name our layers. So we're going to name this one Artwork. And then what we can do is put our star, our die, on another layer. So here we're going to call this one Die Line. Grab the red star and move it up to that layer. And optionally what we can do is double click on the layer and make it non-printing so that if they output this artwork, the die won't print, but that's an optional step. So now we have a bleed on our artwork and we have a path in a spot color that indicates the path for the die.